How to open a joint account in ING Bank. Follow my instructions. If you want to manage money together with a partner, friend, or family member, ING makes it easy to open a joint account. A joint account allows two people to share access, deposits, and payments all from the same balance. It's perfect for couples, shared bills, or saving toward a common goal. Start by going to the ING website or opening the ING mobile app. Log in with your existing ING details, or if you don't have an account yet, you'll both need to apply. From the dashboard, look for Open a New Account and choose Joint Account from the options. You'll be asked to provide details for both account holders. This includes full name, date of birth, contact details, and identification such as driver's license or passport. Both people must meet ING's eligibility requirements to be approved. Next, review the account features, fees, and terms before submitting your application. If you're applying online, you may need to upload ID documents for verification. In some cases, ING may ask you to complete a quick security check before activating the account. Once approved, your new joint account will appear in your ING online banking and mobile app. From there, both account holders can deposit money, pay bills, and set up savings goals together. And that's it. That's how to open a joint account with ING Bank quickly and securely. Thanks for watching.